Hi judges, my name is Daniel and I'm excited to present deal for the Monke DAO track. This is the next evolution of Groupon. It's user-owned, it's borderless, and it's Web3 powered. We're solving a fundamental problem. Traditional discount platform trap users with non-transferable coupons. This platform controls everything through centralized databases. Deal transforms every promotion into a collectible, tradable NFT. These NFTs grant reward savings. They're built entirely on Solana with Euro USD transactions. The market opportunity is massive. Groupon processes billions of dollars in transactions annually, but users have zero ownership. Merchants have limited control. Deals cannot be transferred. We're changing that with blockchain technology. Think about the last time you bought a Groupon. You couldn't transfer it if your plans changed. You couldn't verify its authenticity. The company controlled everything. There was no community trust system. Traditional platforms lack transparency, they lack ownership, they lack liquidity, they lack social proof. Coupons expire worthless in database. Users lose money, merchants also lose customers. We're fixing this with Web3. Our solution is Deal. Deal creates a trustless, transparent, and liquid deal economy. Here is how it works. Every coupon is a verifiable NFT with metadata like discount percentages, expiry date, merchant ID, and redemption rule. True ownership lives in your wallet. All transactions use USDC, the stablecoin standard. Redemption is tracked on chain with immutable proof. Coupons can be transferred, traded, or gifted freely. Users discover deals globally in this borderless marketplace with social features such as star ratings, comment, and sharing. Unused deals have real resale value on our secondary marketplace. You can even stake your coupons to earn reward. Merchants maintain full control through our dashboard. They set supply limit, they choose expiry date, they determine pricing in USDC. Everything is transparent and on chain. So let's get into the live demo. So I'm going to quickly run the setup script. While things are getting set up, let me quickly walk you through what the script has done. Right, first we compiled it locally and deployed it to our local validator. Then we created a USDC for which is like exact replica to the USDC on chain, right? And then we set some things like marketplace. I'll show you, right? I'll show you some rewards pools for staking, and then I seeded some of the marketplace with data from real life API, right? And then so we use things like Rabbit API, got things like Yelp, and even for flights data. These are all real and live data. We're going to get a lot into this in the demo section. All right, so this is the web app. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to let's get some test USDC. But before that, let's I connect the local, so we just quickly request some airdrop, yeah, and then we'll go to the faucet first. Yep, okay, successfully minted. We're going to move to the next. So we're testing with two different accounts to showcase the marketplace and your customer to merchant interaction, and also so we get some USDC for this, right? All of this happening on chain. Now we are going to explore the deals marketplace, right? So this market page, this is the deals, right? You can see these are trending deals. These are live data, right? These are live. You fetch from API. You can see there's a filtering. You can check through filtering. You can see active deals. You can filter by category. Flights. It's going to load them up, right? Oh, that takes time, right? Okay. So these are all real data. You can see hotels. These are all real. And then for restaurants too. We will support geolocation-based discovery with nearby deals. You can see deals near me. Each deal card displays information about the merchant name and its item. The discount percentage is highlighted in green. You can see it here, right? Price in USDC, real stablecoin pricing, supply availability, star ratings. I'm showing community trust. For now, we have 0 because this was just seeded, right? Oh, now I will demonstrate the merchant dashboard, right? See, no deals have been created yet for this particular thing. Right? I'm going to quickly enter some details. Boom and boom, we have the deal here, right? You can see that. Transaction is processed through our Anchor smart contract, right? Let's confirm that. You can see from transaction, scroll down, we can scroll down. You can see they created premium lead. Let's talk about the social discovery layer. This is on the merchant side. I'm going to change over to my other account to show the user side. Ooh, you see now it's quickly loaded. We can see premium late, 25% off, right? This we're going to show you, right? If I click on it, this is a single deal. You can get more information about that particular deal. So let's click. You can see it shows the social layer. So 0 people have claimed. This is 25%, 5 USDC. When it's expiring, the customer rating. So you can rate it, right? We're going to get into that. It's you, right? You can comment on it, and it's going to be all of these things going to be passed on chain, right? So let's just quickly interact with it. I'm going to rate this one for now. I'm going to rate it a 4 star. See that? You can see it has been rated. New rating 4 stars. And this is passed on chain. All of it is passed on chain. You can share the link on Twitter. You can view the marketplace. You can copy the link and send to someone else. We can also leave comments, right? This is a lovely deal. Right? You can post your comments, and to confirm that, we can move to a different profile and try and see the deal. This is a comment. This creates a community discussion about quality, merchant reliability, and redemption experience. All comments are stored on chain with full transparency. You can see that this is a lovely deal, and you can see the star. Of course, you're a merchant, so you cannot rate yourself, right? This prevents fake reviews. Every comment is tied to a real wallet. The share feature lets users spread deals virally. So you can share on Twitter, As you can see here on this place, you get the deal, right? You can copy the link, you can view it in marketplace, right? Each deal has a unique URL that makes it accessible across all Web2 platforms: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, wherever you may be, Threads, wherever you may be, right? Now let's claim a coupon. When users claim a coupon, a transferable NFT is minted with full metadata to their wallet. This NFT represents my discount. It now lives in my own wallet, not in a company database. I have full-blown ownership. This coupon is unique, right? It's only for me, right? And then the supply counter decrements on chain automatically. So initially we had 100 that was available. One person has claimed, and that is me. One person has claimed. This is a social feature, right? If you go to this place, right? If you see that it's instantaneous. Everything happens instantaneous, right? This merchant can see that one person has claimed. Now let's navigate to the My Coupons page to see the coupons that we have, right? This is to demonstrate the redemption verification flow and NFT coupon management. Every coupon is an NFT with on-chain verification. Each coupon shows the day is for, with discount percentages, expiry dates, redemption status. You can show QR code. You can transfer it. It's seamless to any wallet. You can quickly transfer it to a wallet, and that works immediately, right? So the way the QR code is, whenever you see the merchant, I show this QR code. The merchant scans it with their device. They verify everything on chain, the ownership, the expiry date, and the redemption status. Then they can redeem it. So for the merchant, they'll just come to the redeem merchant, and then the QR code will be destructured into this metadata, and then you can click redeem. Now let's go into the secondary marketplace, right? I'm going to go to marketplace. This demonstrates the marketplace liquidity and relisting capability. Users can trade unused coupon NFTs, creating real resale value. So you see, you can sell this coupon. So this is an unused and unredeemed coupon. What I can do, I can list it for sale. So you can see active listing. They are not active listing for now, right? I'm going to go back to, let me list it for, I'm listing it for $10, right? I'm going to list. You see, it has been listed. Now we have it on our if you browse listing, you now see the coupon that we bought at, that we claimed at $5 for $10 now. We are now relisting it on chain. Everything will happen on chain, and this transfer, right? Next we're going to try and buy it from another wallet, right? We go to marketplace. You can see it here, right? What does when you list a coupon and it's been bought, right? Buying automatically transfer ownership and split payment between the seller and the platform. The platform has a 2.5% fee, all tracked on chain with full sale history, right? Yes. Automatically it becomes mine. This creates real liquidity. On this coupon app value, users can recoup their investment if plans change. So let's go back to the other account, and we can see, we go to the analytics. You can see one coupon I sold it at $10. This was the platform fee, and this was my net earning, right? I'm not a merchant, so I have nothing here. I only resold the coupon I have. For the merchants, right, we can see on this edge, you can see that the merchant has coupons they've listed. The number one have been redeemed, zero. None of them have been redeemed, right? So that's the value of redeem and non-redeem. You can also see your deep platform. You can also see deep performance, right? You can see for each coupons that you've created, each deal that you've created. See, one has been minted, like the one, right? You have one comment, and the rating. The rating is cumulative. You can see average revenue per customer $5, 1. You can track, and all of this tracking on chain, right? This is supposed to be a bonus feature with full transparency into platform metrics, right? Start deals created over time, coupon minted volume, active users, top merchant, top deals by popularity. Everything is calculated from on-chain data. There's no centralized database. Full transparency for users and investors. To demonstrate the staking feature, users can stake unredeemed coupons to earn daily reward, right? Users can stake unredeemed coupons to earn daily reward from the rewards pool. The longer you stake, the more you earn. This gamifies the platform and reward active community members. Stake coupons are locked but continue earning. Users can claim reward anytime or on stake to get their coupons back. All calculations happen on chain. Under the hood, we have built a comprehensive infrastructure that addresses all Web3 integration challenges. Our Anchor program handles all business logics with 13 instructions across different account types, right? Our core feature is full. You can create full NFT with metadata, and they're all transferable. USDC payment, redemption, ownership. All of this is tracked on chain. You can list. You can for secondary sale. You can buy coupon. There's comment system on chain rating. All ratings and comments are permanent and verifiable on chain. Our external APIs are Amadeus for flight and hotel, Rabbit API for accommodations, the MediB for restaurants, all aggregated through our unified API endpoint with 5-minute caching. Our next step for this platform is we're going to get premium API for things like Skyscanner, Shopify. We're going to do a mobile app that can unwrap the QR code, unwrap with Stripe and Monke, multi-signature for merchant accounts and businesses, group buying for tier discounts, automated deal expiry, and cleanup. Who manages discounts for the web player? We've built a fully functional, production-ready, user-owned discount marketplace on Solana. Every promotion becomes a tradable asset. Merchants maintain full control, gain unprecedented ownership and flexibility. Social features have built trust. USC provides stability. The platform is ready for real-world adoption. Thank you. I'm happy to answer any questions.